Hi guys, I received this dish warming tray for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because you can select the temperature that you want it to set, and it's rapid warming. You can use it with multiple uses, like warming some milk from some babies, stuff like that. It's convenient storage because you can just roll it up, as it is made of silicone, which makes it, well, easy to storage. Okay, it comes in this bag, and in here we have the instruction manual. Okay, this is the main unit. It also comes with this velcro strap, so you can also stretch it easily, which I think it's a nice option that it comes included. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. As you can see, it has these ridges and it goes like this. Okay, and here we have the power cord and the outlet in here. So let's go ahead and test it by plugging it in. We press this button and we have the display in here. We can select the temperature: 122 degrees, 140, 158, 176, 194, and up to 212. Okay, 112 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think it's a nice option. It really does warm up fast. I'm already, well, filling it, and we can select the time: 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, up to 6 hours to have it on auto mode. Okay, right now it's on 91 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're gonna let it sit a bit and test it out. Okay, I already feel the mat warming up, which I think it's really nice because it means that it's warming up really fast. Okay, now it's reached the desired temperature, which is 212 degrees, and I lay my warm food in here for a bit to test it out, and it's still hot, even though I have the ceiling fan on and also the AC unit on, which I think it's nice because it makes it easier and more convenient to eat your warm food, even if you're gonna take a while to eat it between it serves and that you're gonna eat, or if you wanna just to be slowly eating and it being on a desired temperature. I think it's gonna do an amazing work, and I like it a lot. Obviously, you have to take care that not placing your hands above it. I mean, not touching it directly because you can obviously burn. It's to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot. Okay, so just having care of not burning yourself, and I think it's gonna be all. It's really easy to use. You almost just plug and play, and I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.